Now, bodily or kinesthetic skills. Very easily we can remember, we go to gym or we do yoga asanas to manipulate a particular object and to have a particular physique and a type of fit body. So this skill to maintain one's own body and to manipulate matter which is outside me, that kind of intelligence is called bodily or kinesthetic skill. So this also involves a particular timing, the perfection of details or skills through the mind-body system. The mind-body union is very important in dancing, especially when we are dancing to a particular music. So the mind-body system union has to bring about a particular way of dance. Now we have various types of dances. There is Bharatanatyam, for example. Bharatanatyam, the facial expressions, and then the kind of movements, the hands, body, legs, everything do very complicated movements. Odissi Nritya, then Kuchipudi, then break dance, then lot of types of dance. The body needs to have that flexibility. That is a kinesthetic skill. And today's athletes, they have to run, so they need to have that free movement of the body to move in the air. Then we have surgeons who do surgery over the other body. They have to have that skill. The arts and crafts also involves kind of kinesthetic skill, using the fingers and the skill of the mind. So even in our kirtan, we dance in a rhythmic pattern. So that also, even that is a bodily or a kinesthetic skill. And very interesting example is cooking, which involves particular timing, where especially when a devotee is cooking multiple items. Suppose I am cooking rice, simultaneously I am cooking dal, simultaneously I am cooking sabjis, and then roti, then sweet, and multiple items. So I need to have the perfect timing and ensure that right time I go to that particular item and then I do whatever is required, and then that is called as multi-processing. Especially when we are sitting on the laptop, we are working on different windows, and then we ensure that we do right thing at the right time. So this mind-body union is this skill. And then when we are cleaning, we use our skill to clean. We don't do it not applying the mind. We apply the mind, especially cleaning the kitchen. We ensure that all that what is messed up is cleaned nicely. And when we do deity worship, we are very, very cautious. The way arti has to be done, the way deity dressing has to be done. So all these are kinesthetic skills.